I just want to say a couple of things about Giselle and her, the rolling media, and this might be an unpopular opinion, but I just want to say, do not work with Giselle and the rolling media. There, I said it. Do not work with them unless, okay, unless you want someone who can build solid trust with with your audience, so that so you could effortlessly generate qualified leads, monthly bookings, attract high paying clients. Unless you want that, I suggest you do not work with Giselle. Another reason you might not work with her is you know if you don't want someone, yeah, if you don't want someone who's um, committed to going the extra mile. If you don't want someone who's offering, providing all these extras for, that helps you without charging you for every move that she makes, then you don't want to hire her. If if you don't want someone who provides a complete client experience, do not work with her. That's right. So, like I said, if you don't want someone who understands that providing value is the best way to go in attracting your ideal clients, then I suggest do not work with Giselle. There, I said it.